On this beautiful and bright day, our friends Chimpu, Rory and Chirpy are having a picnic today at their favorite picnic spot. Let us join them.
Hey, let's play something.
Catch me if you can.
Oh, we will catch you in seconds.
Run as fast as you can, Rory. We are coming after you.
Chimpu, Rory and Chirpy are having a fun time.
Oh, what great fun we had.
It was fun and I was super fast than all of you.
Yes, but we finally caught you, Rory.
After playing for some time, our friends Chimpu, Rory and Chirpy are back to Rory's house.
All this jumping and playing has made me hungry.
Oh, I have a surprise for both of you. Come, follow me. Ta-da! I have bought the most tasty and sweet cherries for you, Chirpy.
Oh, Rory, I love cherries. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Chirpy.
Oh, and nothing for me?
For you, I have specially bought some sweet and ripe bananas.
Oh, thank you so much, Rory. I just love bananas.
Rory has laid 3 plates on the table.
Here are sweet and tasty cherries for Chirpy. Come on, count with me. 1. I have given Chirpy 1 cherry. So, Chirpy, how many cherries I have given you?
You gave me 1 cherry, Rory.
Okay, I will give you 1 more. Now count how many cherries you have.
1 cherry. And then you gave me 1 more. So now I have 2 cherries. 1 cherry and 2 cherries.
So, Chirpy, I gave you 2 cherries.
Yes, 1 and 2 cherries.
Hey, I am also hungry. When will you give me the bananas?
Okay, sweet and tasty bananas only for you, Chimpu.
Bananas! Wow! I love bananas!
Here is your sweet and tasty banana, Chimpu.
Oh, thank you so much, Rory.
You are welcome, Chimpu.
I have 1 banana in my plate.
That's correct. 1 banana for you.
I know you love bananas, Chimpu. Have 1 more. So how many bananas do you now have, Chimpu?
Now I have 1 and 2 bananas. I have 2 bananas, Rory.
Very good, Chimpu. You counted correctly.
Our Chimpu loves bananas.
Oh, he sure does.